Struggling to make bold letters in Excel? Follow these three methods. First, type the text you want. After typing the text, click on the cell, right click, and go to Format Cell. Under the font type, you will see here the option of bold. You can click on the bold and you will see the preview here and then click on OK. So this is method 1. In the next method, just click on the cell and you can see here the bold option with the B under the home tab. Just click on it and you will get the bold letter. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the control key on your keyboard and press B to make bold letters in Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel quickly. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon